I wanted to see कि मतलब प्रीति का डिवोशन कितना अंधा है. मैं देखना चाहती थी. वाह, मतलब I'm shook. I'm taken away.
Chick Shack Shook. That is what we are right now.
Wow. Diggy
I
said
was
he's
like,
gonna say something politically incorrect and he went on to narrate like the cutest story from his childhood. Just like, oh.
I mean,
You were like, I have two sim stories. You know,
No,
क्या
I
बोल
said
रही तू
two
प्रीति?
stories from. एक second. I said two stories from your sim. I didn't talk about my
Oh,
simp moment.
you gave commentary on my simp moments. So
Yeah.
sorry. Please continue.
Hi guys. Welcome to another episode of That's Making Pepsi. हमारा शाहरुख sexy and काफी ज़्यादा scary in the movie that we are watching today. We are three friends. Diksha, me, Preeti, and Diggy. We watch a movie. We watch a Shah Rukh Khan movie every week, and we talk about it, simp about it, and everything in between. So, yes, as I said, today our Shah Rukh is sexy and scary because we are watching, and we are talking about not watching. We're talking about Dar. It's a 1990. It released in 1993, I think.
93, yeah.
Yeah, it's the Yash Raj Chopra movie. Like the cornerstone, like everything that changed for Shah Rukh, I guess, from the beginning. I don't know, not the beginning, but like it's like what made him a household name in some ways. Mm, But yeah, like amazing. I want to start with saying that, oh my God, what a performance. But yes, let me because I'm supposed to be talking about the summary, the plot summary
Was
of
it
the
Dar,
movie.
by the way? Just a quick, like, was Dar the film that was his breakout that made him a household name? I thought it would be Bazigar.
Bazigar and Dar actually came very like
October and December,
yeah,
but it was
yeah.
more dark because Yash Raj.
Makes sense.
And like to have this whole thing that Yash Raj has cast him and everything was a kind of a huge deal at the time. And I guess the household name and everything was probably DDLJ, but that we will
नहीं,
talk.
DDLJ पहले was a star. So DDLJ propelled him into another atmosphere altogether, but
Yeah, matlab,
he
if you
was
say like
pretty big.
this whole he's like he's loved by everybody. He's a son, like everybody wants to be a son, girlfriend. Sorry, not girlfriend. Like want to be their girlfriends, friend, all of that. That happened probably in DDLJ.
Preeti,
But
she just said don't want to be their girlfriend. Then she said girlfriend again. कहाँ खो
See,
गई तुम?
girlfriend's friend. Preeti is a little zapped by Shah Rukh and Dar right now, I think.
oh my God, there are so many reasons to be that. But plot summary. The plot summary of the movie, in very simple sentences, is that it is a story of an obsessive lover who, in my opinion, like I am like this is an opinion, not the plot, but is
She's
introvert.
qualifying it, in my opinion.
He's an introvert. He has had no friends. He has
I
so
mean,
much low
that is actually the
Wow,
plot,
my
yeah.
description
That's
of Shah Rukh's character would be so different. I would definitely not
so
call him an
different.
obsessed lover. I would call him a psychotic stalker. But please continue, Preeti. Tell
नहीं,
us
she's
about
also
this
qualifying it कि बेचारा
introvert.
इंट्रोवर्ट था, उसके
हाँ.
दोस्त नहीं
No,
थे,
I'm
शाय
not. See,
था.
so I was going back. Like, I'm not. I think I am not going to justify. Nobody wants to justify any. Like even Yashraj didn't want to justify it. Is how I see the movie. He is in college with Juhi Chawla, who plays Kiran, is his batchmate from a college in Shimla. He is in love with her, but he has no guts to tell her that he is in love with her. But he writes a song telling her that whether you say no or yes, I love you, and this is all
Hello.
I am.
That's not what he
I
says.
think
Come on, ये कितना तुमने सैनिटाइज कर दिया ना इस गाने को. Like तू हाँ कर या तू ना कर, तू है मेरी किरण, ठीक है? That is the line. It is not whether you say or yes or no, I love you. That is very green
यार
flag way
अंग्रेजी
of
में
loving
यही
somebody.
होता है.
प्रीति एकदम इरेज कर रही है इस मूवी के प्लॉट को. मतलब
हाँ,
she was
एकदम
not a
whitewash.
shy lover boy who was afraid of telling her his feelings, dude. He was a mentally ill stalker, and he played that character really well. Don't undermine that.
Oh my God, this Preeti.
He was a mentally ill stalker who threatened like her life many times, her lover's life many times, who watched her creepily from the window, which is his entry scene into the movie while she's changing her clothes. Like there is no saving grace for his
That is
character in
not
the
his.
film.
That is technically not his entry scene. By the way, you don't see Shah Rukh in that scene.
That
Oh,
is the
and you
point you
want to
chose to
tell me,
disagree
you
with.
want to tell me that is not Shah Rukh? That Juhi Chawla was so infamous that she had multiple stalkers. Come on, Preeti. This is why she didn't want to give a summary. She knew we would not agree with her summary. प्रीति अपने अलग दुनिया में कोई और ही पिक्चर देख के आई है. मतलब I love it. I was really looking forward to this episode because I wanted to see कि मतलब प्रीति का डिवोशन कितना अंधा है. मैं देखना चाहती थी. Wow, मतलब I'm shook. I'm taken away.
Chick Shack Shook. That is what we are right now. Oh, Preeti.
Okay, take Infinity
Take two.
at the plot. But yes, so he is in love with her, and he sings a song. That's what the entry of Juhi Chawla is, by the way. Though you don't see
Mhm.
Shah Rukh in that song because she's
Yeah.
assuming this is her lover boy Sunil, played by Sunny Deol. And yeah, but you feel him. That is so. My takeaway from the beginning of the movie is that even when you don't see Shah Rukh in that song, maybe it's now because we know about this movie too much that in my head I always think Shah Rukh is in the video, but he is not. Nowhere you see him. He's just there singing this song here and there, and then she's running behind the music, and she's in a classroom where there is "I love you, Kiran" written all over and all of that. And basically, yes, as I said, that she thinks it's her boyfriend Sunil who's written this, but that's not the case that we realize. Then she goes back to her home, to her sibling and her bhabhi, played by Anupam Kher, and I'm forgetting the name of the lady. Yeah, so then Sunil's entry happened. He is a Air Force. No, he's a Navy guy. Sorry.
Navy.
Yeah. He's a
पर
Navy
तुमने
guy.
ध्यान ही नहीं दिया शाहरुख के अलावा. मतलब he was supposed to be the hero of the movie.
Dude, they made a whole thing of like you know that scene where he enters और वो commando style में
Yeah.
मतलब submarine में जाके फिर वो boat पे चढ़ के
Yeah.
सबको मार देता है. मतलब it's pretty evident he's in the Navy.
He is a soldier. He's a Navy guy who saves people, shoots people, whatever, wearing a bandana, which is ugly as fuck. But that is our hero. That is our hero who goes to then his girlfriend after taking a 1 month of after they're gifted a 1 month of chutti in the army. I'm an Navy. Sorry, I'm a defense kid, but ऐसे नहीं मिलती है छुट्टियां guys. But anyway, I will not trash
I would just
Sunny
like to
Deol
point
right in the
out that
beginning.
I would like to point out that Sunny Deol saved some big shot minister's daughter, like served the nation in the movie, was a bloody national hero, got 1 month of holiday because of that, and Preeti को उससे problem है.
ऐसे कैसे छुट्टी दे दिया यार.
ऐसे छुट्टी दी. शाहरुख
नहीं
खान is
मिलती है
a
यार.
violent psychopath, ये बेचारा introvert है.
See, by the
वो
way, Preeti,
बेचारा.
I think Navy में मिलता है because they spend like a lot of time out on
हाँ,
the sea, right?
मतलब
So
ऐसे
they get
मिलते हैं कि
compensatory.
मतलब बट ऐसे नहीं मिलते कि तुमने किसी को बचा लिया तो अब तुम्हारी 1 महीने की छुट्टी है. So then, like, yeah, Sunil goes to meet his girlfriend. At many times scares her and all that, but they are in a loving relationship with each other. Shah Rukh Khan then plays Rahul Mehra, a psychotic lover. I will come here and accept that he is by all means the definition of psychotic person, who starts to scare the shit out of this girl by calling her multiple times and telling that he loves her and that she should leave her boyfriend. Sends her उसकी खुद की photos जो उसने click करी होती हैं from Shimla, from the first day of college apparently, follows her everywhere, especially in a lift, and the scene is so scary that I can't even begin to talk about it. then just it comes all to a point where she's so scared of picking the phone. Then he attacks her boyfriend multiple times. She also at all times in the movie, that's what I kind of like looked at this time as a lens, that she is not, at no point she is finding this funny. Like, this is not like flirtatious, or she's not flirting, oh, so nice or whatever. Like, she's not like seeing it that way. She's going to the partner, she's going to her sibling, that, you know what, I'm being stalked, somebody is calling me, can you guys please take it seriously? Nobody takes it seriously.
I don't think
starting
so.
में
I
they
don't know.
I mean,
don't-
yeah,
नहीं,
maybe like the
starting में
first
they
one
disregarded,
time.
but after that they get a little serious
You
about
know,
it
See,
when
I
the
I don't
phone
think
calls.
they disregarded it more than once. Like the first time she came to them, they said कि तुम्हारा वहम है या मतलब कुछ ऐसी, it must be just a prank or whatever. But then after that, they did start taking it seriously. Like when he showed up at the house and मतलब काफी कुछ तो all her family only was supporting, no? And Sunny Deol,
yeah,
of
but
course.
so I guess my interpretation of it was that when Sunny Deol's life is in danger, when he says that I will kill this boy because I've told you earlier that you should not be in a relationship with him anymore, that is when then they say, because पहले वो बोलते हैं कि पुलिस बुला लेते हैं, उसकी भाभी बोलती है, भैया बोलते हैं that, like, okay, at this point let's just call the police because he's been stalking her, now he's at her home and everything. But Sunny Deol is like कि क्या चूहों को मारने के लिए शेरों की फौज नहीं बुलाते and all that, because it's on his ego that how dare she have a stalker, and I will fight her and I will kill him and whatever. But so that is what my problem, I guess, in some ways, or that, like, like, and then फिर वो होली भी होता, like, then there is a holy scene where he tells that he will come on Holi party and he will color her, because of course Holi is every stalker's best festival ever. If you ask any stalker आपका favorite festival क्या है, वो बोलेगा मेरा favorite तो होली है, क्योंकि अब मैं जाऊंगा, कलर लगाऊंगा और उसको छू के आऊंगा, because of course
प्रीति
that is
पता
what
नहीं
it is meant
कौन से
for.
मूड में है, बट आई लव इट. लाइक कुछ भी बोल रही है तो स्टॉकर का इंटरव्यू ले रही है पॉडकास्ट पे. तुम्हारा फेवरेट फेस्टिवल क्या है? होली. और क्या ही हो सकता है?
Aren't you, like, I think I am, I guess, very, very uncomfortable with the festival Holi because of
Yeah, I don't
of
like it very much.
but
Yeah, I mean,
anyway.
it's like a public justifiable excuse for people to harass and get away with it. That's how, like, I mean, that connotation is there. Stalker specifically पता नहीं मेरे को, मतलब मैंने इंटरव्यू नहीं लिए हैं किसी स्टॉकर के, बट तुम बोल रही हो तो I guess करेक्ट ही होगा.
Then what happens? Yeah, then he attacks Sal Salman Khan. Oh my God,
Sunny Deol. He attacks. He shoots at Sunny Deol, but
yeah,
he doesn't, like, the bullet goes past him.
and then he gets into an accident later on
Yeah.
when they're finalizing the shadi ka jewelry and stuff like that. Then he gets run over by a car or something. Then he's in the hospital. That is when Juhi thinks, you know what, I should just go away from his life because I love him too much and the stalker will not go away. And then he goes like, yeah, but wherever you will go, now you will go because you will go as my wife. And then he has blood on his hand from somewhere and खून भरी मांग भरी है, he does. And then उनकी शादी हो जाती है किसी मंदिर में. And yeah, then they buy a house. No, they've already bought a house. They shift
He's
to
already
the
got a
house.
Yeah.
Yeah, they've already got the house. They're shifting to the house as a Greh Pravesh and like all of that. And he's being all, Sunny is, I don't know why I'm calling him Salman because that's the vibe I get from him probably. But Sunny is being all romantic कि हमारे यहाँ पूरा रिवाज होता है कि हम गोद में उठा के ले जाते हैं. So वो 60 फ्लोर्स या जितने भी फ्लोर्स है उसको उठा के ले जाता है. But because Shahrukh Khan is psychotic and he's lost his shit that she's married now, he kills 2 policemen in lift by dropping that lift and then goes into the house and vandalizes it and says, I
I mean,
love
I'm
you,
sure
Kiran,
he's done the
everywhere.
vandalizing before. He's done the
Yeah,
vandalizing way before, yeah.
And then he says,
Order
I love
of
you, Kiran,
events.
and Shadi Mubarak. And at this point, Juhi, Aka Kiran loses it. And it is done in my way, it is done from a cinematic experience, done in a way that you understand that why Kiran would just be traumatized by it by now. Because he's tried to kiss her in dark, he's followed her, he's done
I mean,
every possible
he's actually
thing.
kissed her. Like he comes and kisses
Yeah,
her on the
yeah,
cheek from behind.
yeah.
Yeah, and she thinks it's the other guy, but
And so she loses like her sanity for some moments, and then Sunny Deol goes to Dilip Tahir, who actually does play Shah
a
Rukh
good
Khan's
guy. Yeah.
father. For a change, also a good guy who has like some sensible dialogues that is such a change for Dilip Tahir. And yeah, so basically he says कि मुझे
मतलब to
स्विट्जरलैंड
give
जाना है.
context, के Dilip Tahil is actually Sunny Deol's boss,
Oh
and
yeah, okay, yes, he's also
yeah,
his
that's why
boss in
Sunny Deol
Navy.
goes to him. ऐसे थोड़ी ना goes to Shah Rukh Khan's father
He
out of the
doesn't know.
blue.
None of these people know that like who the
N-
stalker is. They've not seen his face. They don't
Yeah,
know कि शाहरुख खान है. उसकी आवाज सुनी है
yeah,
खाली किरण ने और मतलब बाकी जब
yeah. And
phone
Sunny
loudspeaker
Deol
पे
and
तो.
Shah Rukh Khan have met, and they're sort of friends already. Like Shah Rukh
He
has
makes it a
introduced himself
point,
to.
yes,
Yeah,
like Rahul goes and makes it a point that he knows so that whenever they meet and everything,
वो पुलिस को
yeah.
भी
he's out in the
इंट्रोड्यूस
clear.
करता है यार अपने आप
हाँ,
को मतलब वो बोलता है हाँ
5
5
फुट
फुट
10
10
इंच.
इंच.
ठीक से देख लीजिए. So yeah, he is introverted, but as like very confident in front of other people when he's planning his murders. Um,
तुमको क्यों लगता है
yeah,
कि
they
वो
go.
इंट्रोवर्ट है? वो इंट्रोवर्ट वाली हरकतें नहीं करता है कभी भी. Like he is very bold in all his moves. Like he knows what he's doing is wrong. He is stalking her. Like there is no ambiguity about it.
Yeah, but yeah, I will come to that. Why do I think he's an introvert later on? But let me just finish the plot of the story because it's been so long I've been talking about it. So anyway, they go to Switzerland, which is kind of kept like a secret, that nobody should know where they're going, because by this time Sunil kind of like knows what he might be like doing when they go out. So he books tickets of another city but goes into another place altogether. But because Mehra is very, very smart in his passion to make Kiran's and Sunil's life miserable, he goes to her sibling to just become friends with them. And then by the time he realizes that they are in Switzerland, so he himself flies to Switzerland, become like introduces himself as Rahul Mehra for the first time to Juhi. They talk nicely, they become friends, they spend a lot of time together. And one fine day, Sunil realizes that, oh, this guy actually might be the person who is the stalker. And yeah, then they fight and they stab each other. And yeah, like Shah Rukh Khan dies in the end, and everybody's so happy that he's dead. Like every time, every time Shah Rukh is like so-called stalker is dead, there is so much happiness. That's what I find a little like funny also. But yeah, she goes like वो मर गया ये वो मर गया. When there is so basically there is a fake suicide that like he blames on a friend, his friend commits suicide or he dies, and then he hangs him up and writes a note for him, very Bazigar of him.
Wait.
But
I feel like this is
sorry,
important to the plot. Let's explain it in a
okay,
little detail. So
sorry.
they had another guy from college who was friends with Shah Rukh Khan, who was an alcoholic and who is like drug addict and everything. His liver is fucked. He's gonna die. He is on his deathbed and he's talking to Shah Rukh Khan about how I still have all the letters that you wrote to that girl that you never sent. And and then matlab, as he's dying, Shah Rukh Khan's face lights up with the idea where he decides कि ये तो वैसे भी मर रहा है तो उसको फांसी चढ़ा देता है सुइसाइड फेक करके वहां पे एक नोट डाल देता है कि आई वाज किरण स्टॉकर एंड एवरीबडी थिंक्स दैट ओ दिस गाय हु हैज डाइड is probably was Kiran Stalker because everything adds up. And so everybody thinks, oh, okay, cool, Stalker mar gaya, problem solved, the end. The only person who is suspicious is Sunny Deol because he's like, no, this guy was so, cunning and he did so much. How did he just die?
हाँ, कहाँ थे हम? हाँ, तो फिर वो स्विट्जरलैंड, हाँ
मर
वो
गया
मतलब,
शाहरुख लास्ट में। या
हाँ शाहरुख को मार मर जाता है फिर वो, और फिर सब बहुत खुश हो जाते हैं जब वो वापस से एयरपोर्ट आते हैं कि दे आर टॉकिंग इन दैट, लाइक both of them have gone through immense trauma. And the first thing Sunny Deol says when they are out and say like, अब वो तो मर गया, पता चले कोई और आ जाए और बोले आई लव यू किरण. And I just like, let me say one thing, like I hated
Inappropriate.
him saying that. Yeah, I hated him saying that line. It to me felt like the Sunny Deol in general in the movie felt so sidelined for all the right reasons. But he was like so desperate to say that one line that this is so inappropriate. Like they have killed somebody, they have a career, they are defense folk. Even if it is for safety of their own lives and they have saved somebody, I just don't see anything funny in it. But okay, it's
Preeti, but
uh,
putting this in context,
Yeah, of a
people,
3.5 hour long movie, you want to focus on the last dialogue.
yeah, and people were dying left, right, and center in Bollywood movies at that point, right? The hero was killing like on an average 7 to 8 people. Like Sholay mein they killed like fucking I don't know 50 people. Those two guys. So वो चल रहा था that was normal. Yeah, Sunny Deol will was killing people in that time, and even now that happens. So I don't think
but I was
honestly,
like, how
honestly, I
dare you?
think
For me,
I
it was
think
like,
no.
how dare you say I love you, Kiran? Like, I just like, maybe
That's
it's my
that is the
bias,
problem.
but
Your problem is that how is anybody else but Shah Rukh Khan getting
saying
any sort of footage in this movie? हम तुम्हारे जन्म में सलमान खान क्यों था? डर में सनी देओल क्यों है? तुम्हारी main complaint with the movie is this. Happy New Year में सोनी सूद क्यों है? That is your problem. Problem is not this riffraff nonsense of people dying and all. यार वो तो होता ही रहता है. मरते ही हैं
प्रीति
लोग.
प्रीति को
फैन
चाहिए कि शाहरुख खान डबल रोल प्ले करे, हीरो का भी विलन का भी, और एक्चुअली ट्रिपल रोल, हीरोइन का भी रोल वही कर लेगा ना, मतलब और किसी को डालने की जरूरत ही
उसने
क्या है?
उसने बोल ही दिया था ना शाहरुख खान if somebody's girlfriend तो that's what she wants. Like we saw Karan Arjun, they kill so many people there, right? And ठाकुर टूकर को मारते हैं, उसके एंड में मस्तियां कर रहे होते हैं वो लास्ट में, getting married, having fun, laughing. वहां तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं थी किसी को.
yeah, like I
No, but
feel
I get what she's saying. Ki you've gone through some trauma. Immediate reaction should
It
not
makes a
be to
lot of
make a
sense.
joke about the
Yeah,
trauma, but like, ठीक है, मतलब
it's a
मतलब
movie.
multiple times I felt कि they were just like, even like,
making light
yeah,
of
like,
it.
so I like one time was saying that she's so traumatized by it that she feels like the fear of him all around, and rightly so. It is scary. Everything Shahrukh does in this movie is, I don't know, like if like I God forbid something like this happens to me, but like it would drive me
Unhinged. Is
nuts.
unhinged level of scary
Yeah,
the
he's
what he does.
killing innocent people left, right, center, like he did in Bazigar. Uh, so I guess I would be so scared. And every other scene in the movie, Juhi's character is very on point of that. So yeah, like tell me, when did you first watch it? What were your first reactions? And then of course watching it this time. Diggy?
So obviously not in the theater. 93 में आई थी. You guys weren't born. I was 2 years old.
I was born, okay, please.
And you were an infant only, कितने few months.
At least I was in the universe when soccer universe was happening. Don't take it
Slow
away
clap,
from me, guys.
slow clap, Preeti.
Look, yeah,
Congratulations,
Preeti.
congratulations. You were in the universe.
Preeti, I will remove no degree of connection between her and Shahrukh, even if it's like 150 degrees. मैं फिर भी थी उधर. Yeah. So I think I watched it, which मतलब पूरी तो देखी है मैंने 2-3 बार, and it's the same old, right? In the घर पे बैठे जी सिनेमा और सेट मैक्स कहीं पे आ रही है, and that's how you just like you watch it over and over again. Multiple repeats. एक stretch में तो नहीं शायद देख पाते थे, but I had seen the whole movie. I knew the whole plot essentially. Recent times में थोड़ा टाइम हो गया देखे हुए. I think early 2010s कभी देखी होगी. Actually, yeah, a friend of mine and I were just rewatching Shah Rukh Khan movies in 2013-14. I think there might have been one of them. But this time around, it really hits you really hard because you don't understand all the concepts of like as a kid तुम्हें stalking ढंग से समझ नहीं आती है, right? And that's why it's so important for movie makers to make that distinction really well. where stalking sort of starts and where obsessive love ends, right? And इसमें and I was scared यार, holy shit. मतलब शाहरुख is so unhinged in this. उसकी एक तो acting इतनी अच्छी है, and these mannerisms that he does, right? Especially when he loses his head completely at the end, in the climax. He's talking to himself, he's talking to his mother, he's making these gestures, looking left and right, and you can see Juhi's completely zonked out, and it's scared. Like the whole thing was very scary, and like all his mannerisms throughout the movie. Like you think, Shah Rukh is born to be a fucking psychopath for sure. Like he is an absolute psychopath in this movie, and which is credit to his acting because it's that scary. And yeah, it hits you really hard, and it makes you uncomfortable to the extent you think maybe थोड़ा gap देना चाहिए देखने के लिए अगली बार. This is it's like fan, right? It really has no point where things lighten up at all. Even if they're sort of dancing and all, okay, वो आने वाला है. He's on his
Yeah,
way to
and
you guys.
to be
You
honest,
might dance all you want.
those
Yeah.
dance and songs were those
Crap.
numbers were crap, yeah.
For crap. Such bad songs with atrocious lyrics. Like such bad lyrics like कुछ भी थे यार. Like तू है मेरी तू है मेरी किरण is still, you understand it's a song sung by a stalker. So if he is saying कि ठीक है तू हाँ कर या ना कर तू है मेरी किरण, that's what he feels and that's what is displayed throughout the movie, and then he gets his karma at the end of it by dying a very brutal or a bad death, right? But like, why is Anupam Kher and why are Sunny Deol saying that shit?
But
Like,
also,
it's
I
not
think
same things,
I
but
will
like
tell
similar
you.
wild
I
shit.
felt like the pace of the songs that featured Shah Rukh Khan or were related to his and Kiran's equation just had a better pace, better beats. I don't know if it's like nostalgia because those are the famous ones, but it was a very different vibe than like the ones with just
Yeah,
Sunny or
very different
just
vibes.
Sunny and Juhi or whatever. Just more like fast paced, more energetic, like I don't know, nicer songs.
Yeah. Also because like those songs we don't remember, so we don't associate those songs with this movie. So they seem
Maybe,
out of
yeah,
place.
yeah.
Because those are shit songs. So I mean it's just a circular argument, but essentially that's what it is. Yeah.
But I have
Preeti, you were
another
saying.
argument.
Yeah,
Okay, yes.
yeah, yeah.
That Sunny Deol has in the movie, okay, he is a soldier and he is saving the nation and all that, but he has multiple points to prove that he has powers of being a stalker himself, or like at
Huh.
least being a like. So that is why I think it hits you even harder. Is that it's not like Shah Rukh Khan is only person who is like doing like okay, he is unhinged psychopath to another level. But if you see her own boyfriend, then turned husband, is not really मतलब वो भी तो cheap ही है यार मतलब I don't know like he is scaring her at every point in the movie. The first time he comes and meet her like after she comes back from college, uh, he says he'll pick her like he'll see her at the airport. He doesn't come there. He gets into his Almira and scares the shit out of her and has some sort of definition to say how this is romantic or something. She is stalked by somebody in the movie, which like police is involved. All of this is going on. She is in a swimming pool swimming. This guy has the balls to scare her by pulling her legs. Were you thinking, oh, this is Shah Rukh? Like in my head, I was like, my God, I didn't remember him being this, like whatever, like that's just whatever my brain. But he's scaring her, like, and I don't know, like I felt like a lot of it was just normalizing un-okay behavior throughout.
I agree. And I think that is more a sign of the times. Like, because if you remember the first entry song of Juhi in the movie, right? When that tu haan kar na kar, she's smiling, she's laughing, like she's enjoying the attention because she thinks
Yeah,
it's coming from her lover. So it was, for me, it was that distinction between, matlab, what is consensual versus what is like unwanted, uh even like in the context of the time that it was made in, where that chhedchhad sort of made for flirting and romance, which is not acceptable today. It should never have been, but that is what it was. That those were the 90s. ठीक है. मतलब those are all of Shah Rukh Khan's films, honestly, if we sit and consider. But yeah, I mean, I felt it was maybe a little bit more extreme because of the theme of the movie. Like it was that psychological thriller slash horror sort of vibe, which is why maybe it went to the extreme of like pulling her leg underwater and everything. And it wanted to make the viewer afraid, like more than what Kiran was going through. Like at the end of the day, it was a film, but why that might have gotten brushed under, like, just men being men or whatever, is because that was that chad was the sort of norm back then.
But Diksha, like what I felt when I was watching this movie this time, they don't really normalize stalking, or like at no point in
No,
the
no, I'm
movie
not
you
saying they
feel they
normalize
are
stalking.
rewarding
Yeah, I'm
or
not
like.
saying, but Sunny Deol was not her stalker. No, he was her boyfriend. So him doing it was okay. Shah Rukh Khan doing it was not okay. That distinction they made. I'm not saying that what Sunny Deol did was okay. I'm saying that in the context of the times and in the context of the film, they portrayed it in such a way that it was okay, which I didn't have a problem with because there was much more serious shit going down. And like I said, that border between consent and what is not wanted.
Okay, so yeah, when did you watch it? What were your thoughts? Sorry, I know we went into something else.
I actually watched it for the first time. This is like,
Oh,
मतलब बचपन में
Oh,
ऐसी
really?
मूवीज मुझे नहीं देखने अलाउड था, और मतलब मैंने
I
कभी
mean,
ऐसे,
बचपन से होके अब हो गए यार 25-30 साल. It's been
मतलब
a
मैंने
while.
खुद से कभी I never really wanted to, because personally I'm not really
Yeah.
into the genre of violence against women, even if it is featuring Shah Rukh Khan. Which is why even though I like the movie, I'll never watch it again. I'm already saying this upfront. It's just like phenomenal performances across the board for sure, but it's just one of those movies that it's too uncomfortable to sit through. I was
Yeah.
constantly afraid. I was afraid for Kiran. I was afraid for Sunny Deol. I was even at times afraid for Shah Rukh Khan, because I was like, yeah, this guy is mentally ill. He needs help, and he's not gonna get it because nobody is able to even figure out. मतलब उसके अपने बाप को नहीं मालूम. मतलब he's not able to do anything. He's talking to his dead mother on the phone, and वो फिर भी कुछ नहीं कर रहा है. Um, so like I was very afraid throughout watching. One thing I felt, which I think Preeti touched upon in her short summary that she gave a few minutes ago, um, which is that she made an interesting point about how people started taking the stalker threat seriously when Sunny Deol's life was threatened. I didn't notice that, but now that she pointed it out, it's true. And it also like I will use that to segue into the fact ki I felt after a point the movie decentered Kiran and it became more about the
yeah.
ego clash between Rahul and Sunil. Like it became this whole thing of ki how dare he try to do something to something that is mine. And then this guy was also, and that was the sentiment with both of them. The only difference was ki Kiran wanted Sunil in her life. She didn't want Rahul in her life. And it just became that whole, I don't know, egotistical clash for me after a point, which I was very uncomfortable with, because like this girl is going through so much. मतलब और उससे ज्यादा ध्यान इन दोनों पे दिया जा रहा है कि मतलब and that I think, although to Sunny Deol's character's credit, he never he does always put Kiran's needs and wants first. Like he doesn't put himself in unnecessary risk. He doesn't put her in any unnecessary risk in order to catch this guy or anything of that sort. And he does kind of have, like, at least when he's not joking around or trying to scare her and all that crap, he does seem like a genuinely loving partner to Kiran. But yeah, I just felt like the movie decentered Kiran a little bit after a point.
Which is
But
like a
yeah.
very common theme in most movies, whether they be again about violence against women or not. This violence against women is generally used as a plot point, was used and still to an extent is used to as a plot point to further the character development of men. Considering there were other movies like Karan Arjun and all of that running around this time, Juhi Chawla still got a lot of center space in it,
Yeah, that
and
I one more thing which I
yeah,
noticed.
it wasn't completely about, say, Sunny Deol. It was a lot about Shah Rukh Khan, but like the one thing that I do agree with you is that Sunny Deol made it about himself in his a lot of times. I am offended that you think that I am not able to protect you.
Yeah.
That's what he's feeling bad about.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
That
yeah.
that should be the last of his concerns. If she feels that, okay, you respect that because she's terrified right now. So that theme came up quite a bit. That is also Sunny Deol's character in all movies. That very masculine, toxic masculine sort of a guy who has to protect his woman, and that's most male protagonists in the early 90s in any action movie. Okay, we have to protect our women, and the women need protection.
So, I want to agree and I want to also disagree at the same time. Like, in the way that they really, like, I think the character of, like, Juhi was, like, she played that character that you throughout the movie, you can believe that she is that woman who would want protection. Like, if you think of other movies like where Devi or Madhuri Dixit have been used as a plot point of violence against women, they are shown to be like these strong women who would not take it. And like in Anjam, we will probably talk about it in some months later, that she does kill
Spoiler
her
alert.
perpetrator. Yeah, spoiler alert, but she kills the guy who makes her life miserable. But in this movie, at no point that is how you see Juhi's character. And that is probably why you like I felt I believed in her a lot more because it was played by Juhi because she's playful, but she doesn't really give like even when the last climax scene is happening, Sunny Deol's like Sunil tells Kiran that you know what, be at this boat. He knows this guy is dangerous as fuck. He has history of killing people. He has history of making her partners at this point of wife's life difficult as fuck, but he never tells her that, you know what, that is the reason that you need to get away. Maybe if he told her that, she would have been prepared by then. But that is not what they're trying to say. You're saying, even when she is in the ship, when he comes in, us, throughout the movie, you see her as a swimmer and all that. मतलब वो कूद सकती थी ना उस जंप उससे लेकिन वो थॉट उसको मतलब यू डोंट इवन सी कि उसको वो आएगा एंड यू डोंट इवन नोटिस इट because throughout the movie you see she is asking for being protected for, and that is probably what they were trying to get at, like as a different, like I probably think that is the difference between an Anjam and a what
Yeah,
is
but
this
dude,
movie, sorry.
I choosing Anjam, you're picking an anomaly. Most movies, I would say, if you take even now, yaar, I mean, if most action movies you take, अब थोड़ा different हो गया खैर, but most action movies, the woman really doesn't get to do much
Yeah,
except
I
for
agree, I guess.
being the being the victim, right? And Anjam is a very different movie. Devi was a bloody superstar, so she could dictate a few things. But apart from that, it was very rare for uh, any action movie to have any woman have any sort of agency in the violence against her. She would always be protected.
I think
Mostly, I
also,
would say 90% of the times.
yeah, I feel also they didn't really develop Kiran's character really well. They relied on Juhi
Yeah.
Chawla's innate innocence to kind of portray that uh, character needs protection or whatever. One thing also about Juhi's character in this film, as compared to others, that I felt she was really sexualized, like, which is also in keeping with the theme of the film. But I don't think, like, just in the way she was dressing, she's not worn clothes like that in other films that I've seen her in. She hasn't, like, had, for example, just that scene where she's lapping the pool up and down. Or where like she's in the barn and she's about to undress and all that. I don't think I've seen Juhi in films do stuff like that. So I felt like that was also adding, like, firstly, it was to indicate the danger she's in, probably, specifically those scenes. And a lot of this is maybe inspired by Hollywood, right? Where typically, when there is an act of violence about to happen, it will be when a woman is at her most vulnerable. Yeah, but I was that it was just an interesting fact that I noticed was key. I haven't seen Juhi sexualized like that on screen before, so.
Yes, she did a whole strip
Hmm.
dance here, which was like which I didn't remember. And seeing that I saw it as a teenage kid, I should have remembered this, but I had no memory of that happening.
That is because Sunny Deol and Juhi Chawla have no chemistry whatsoever. I
Oh,
am
there's zero
sorry, guys.
chemistry. There's zero
Like it is.
chemistry. Yeah.
I
I
think
mean, I really don't want to say this, but like Shahrukh had more chemistry with Juhi in this
He
movie.
did. And you
That's
can't
also because
take that away from
the
him, yeah. You can't take that away from, like, I want to say that, like, because I didn't get
but
to
also
say
like
when
we
did I.
now see Shahrukh and Juhi because they're an amazing pair together. Like whatever character they are playing, they really gel. Their characters sort of spark it out, whether it's negative sparks or positive sparks. It you see the movie work when
राहुल
they're
को
on
भी यही
screen
लगता था.
together. राहुल
हाँ,
को भी
like,
लगता था.
पर पता है
Okay,
Diggy, if you
let's talk
notice,
about Rahul a little bit, dude. Like let's talk about Shahrukh. We've talked. This is
yes,
Dar, right? This is Dar. This Dar is a fucking iconic movie in my eyes. It's up there with Bazigar
for
because
me, exactly, yeah,
yeah,
I,
because it is he Shahrukh has done such a good. I think he's done a better job than Bazigar. Bazigar means a lot of physical acting, doing absolutely crazy, shouting, that passion that he needs to show, right?
Acting,
The
yes.
aggression.
Film,
Yeah.
no. I would say for me that is a good couple of notches below. Like
Oh,
it's just
I
not
think
the kind
it's
of
as good as
story that I
Bazigar.
want to watch. And compared to
Huh.
Bazigar, I
Okay,
felt
that's for
like
sure.
there were a lot of gaps in the screenplay and the story that, as in just objectively looking at the film, like what Preeti said, right?
Yeah.
Like, why are they just all happy all the time when I mean, they've just gone through something super traumatic, like express it a little. Um, but yeah, and compared with Bazigar, I don't think it holds up at all. Acting wise, 100%. Like Shahrukh was in a
Yeah.
whole other zone throughout this film. Like he was so scary. Like I was terrified. I was like, I need to watch K3G after this to remember that. Like he's um
There's that Rahul.
yeah.
There's that Rahul that we know. Rahul Mehra, no, we don't want to know.
We should have done Yes Boss after this. Genuinely.
Oh yeah. Yes Boss would have been a really good movie to do after this. Just to like see Rahul like Shahrukh and Juhi in that role. कि अरे यार ये
Yeah.
ऐसे भी हैं. It's not just
but
but
like for me, his entry, like the actual entry of Rahul Mehra on a terrace of his
yeah.
building, wearing heeled shoes, doing she loves me not, etc. And it is so powerful. Like even when how I felt was ki even in the few minutes in the movie, you don't really see him, you feel him. And after that, every time he is on screen, he is very scary. But you like for me, I don't say it because I'm a Shah Rukh Khan fan, but I'm saying is as an objective viewer, I just I couldn't take my eyes off. Like it wasn't like, oh my God, this is so unhinged. I want to now shut my TV off. I don't know if this like maybe it will not happen today. Maybe Shah Rukh does play that something, some charm to it. But the way he acted, those close-ups where he like even the whole talking to himself, talking to her photo, his own like his room for
You
me,
talking to
all
his
those
mom.
colors and
Fuck, that was so scary.
yeah,
Especially the last boat
and
wala scene where he's like, हम आपका आशीर्वाद लेने आ रहे हैं. I was like, fuck, this guy is insane. Like he's going to
and
kill
you
both
know
of
what?
them.
And जो scene है ना, I don't know if you noticed it because this is I watched it recently, like last year, so I was like noticing it this time from another lens. But जो उसका फर्स्ट सीन है जिसमें उसका फादर दिलीप ताहिर कम्स एंड सी तुम लाइक किससे बात कर रहे थे वाला सो his phone is not attached to a wire वो
Yeah.
टास्क मतलब it is unhinged so it's not like कि वो actually सोचता है कि वो अपनी मम्मी से बात कर रहा है he's play acting it so that is my understanding of his illness that it's not like he really thinks he's talking to her mother he's just wanting an outlet because वो तार कहीं लगी नहीं हुई है उस मोमेंट पे एटलीस्ट इन दोस मल्टीपल उन दोस फ्यू सीन्स जब वो शिप में होते हैं तो भी वो फोन कहीं लग भी रहा होता है so and to just pull it with that conviction and like for me it was just like I just couldn't not see him even when he was scary and especially कि वो जूही से actually में he meets her at a 2 hour 14 minutes mark in the movie. I noted it down because I was very curious to know कि वो कब मिलता है उससे. Because the whole movie, like apart from the back kiss and everything, जब वो उसको happy birthday बोलता है and everything, the first time they actually do come face to face is 2 hours into the movie. But you believe that they've been, I don't know, shared screen or whatever throughout the movie. That is the kind of presence he made in the movie. So for me, it was like yeah, I just couldn't not take my eyes off. It was just, yeah. From an active point of view, and the way Yashraj captures screen also, like it's beautiful. That is my like monologue on how amazing Shah Rukh was as a psychopath.
He was, yeah. Like I mean, I still think he should do another movie, like at this stage of his career, where he plays an equally unhinged guy. Like it should not be like Jawan कि नहीं नहीं थोड़ा bad guy है but actually में नहीं है नहीं नहीं absolutely not be like an absolute asshole like be like Amitabh Bachchan and Aankhe like
No,
he's the
do
star of
do
the
like
movie but
a
he's also bad.
Steve Carell movie remake, like an adult rom-com, like two middle-aged parents
Disha.
against him and Tabu. They do like a game night or a date night sort of a film where, like, it's all cutesy comedy stuff. A lot of shenanigans happening in the background. Fun movie. Come on.
Fun movie.
Fun romance, rom-com. Let's do it.
I have one more small thing, okay? Please, can I say? Please,
नहीं,
please.
बोलो
बिल्कुल
I know
नहीं.
I've been
How
speaking.
dare you? How dare you speak on your own
No, but
podcast?
I will allow it if it is about Shah Rukh and not bashing Sunny Deol. If it's bashing Sunny Deol, then sorry, no, I am genuinely not
हाँ
allowing it.
मतलब
कभी और
we
बता
No,
देना
we
no,
यार.
no,
talk
no,
too
no,
much
no.
about people like Salman Khan and Sonu Sood on a Shah Rukh Khan podcast, okay?
Yeah,
No, no,
dude.
no, no, no. Okay. Yes. It's not. But yes. So what I was going to say that I was going to say about the movie in general, how they used to have Mary Kiran throughout the movie as the
Yeah.
anchor of the movie. Um, it's fast paced, and then there are moments where there is only music, and then there is like Shah Rukh is given only in entirety of FaceTime songs, 1.5 songs. So one is the Tu Mere Samne, Main Tere Samne, and there is this one bit of Kiran, like Tu Kisi Aur Ki Ho Na Jana, when he's wearing that black shirt
Yeah.
and he carves his name. Those are the like at that time where having song space was all it took to be stars. And that is why probably we don't remember the other songs because Sunny Deol was not too great in it. But anyway, not to go
Again,
back to
Sunny
there.
Deol.
Yes. So, but yes, this whole using it as a theme and then as a like the movie starts with Tu Meri Kiran and then it actually ends on Tu Meri Kiran where Sunny Deol finds out that he is this guy who has been stalking her, and he plays the song on harmonica, and he is following his own song. And then this whole jungle me, he has this laugh, Shah Rukh has this laugh, this maniac laugh, where
Maniacal love.
he
Yeah.
knows he knows it's the end of it now, and it is done. It's so picturesque, like beauty. I don't know of just using one anchor music throughout. I just found them using it like in that manner really amazing. I don't think I've seen it happen in that manner as much to go from positive to scary to the actual death of him when she says ki maar dalo isko, and that is when actually Shah Rukh gives it up. She wants me dead, and now I don't want to fight it out now. So I think I want like
Actually,
this
in that moment, I realized when she says "isko maar do," he has such shock on his face.
yeah.
It's almost like he's still under still what? He's under delusion. He's that deluded. He thinks that they're actually meant to be each other. And at some level, Juhi should realize that because he loves her so much. Why is she not realizing that? And when she tells Sunny Deol ki nahi, kill him, maar do. Like genuinely you see shock and heartbreak over his this psychotic guy's face कि यार ये कैसे हो गया? I've dedicated my life to her and she still wants me dead. And which was like that flash of scene was done really well, I felt.
Yeah,
That
beautifully done.
Entitlement of,
Yeah.
मुझे अच्छी लगती है तो उसको भी मैं अच्छा लगना चाहिए, as in
Yeah.
anything I feel should be reciprocated, which is I think good insight, and like also obviously the psychotic angles, but good insight into the mind of a stalker. I thought it was really well represented. Like
Yeah.
I felt Shah Rukh's character was definitely the best developed. I mean, you hated him, you were afraid of him, you were worried for the other characters because of him, not because of anything they did. Because his performance was just so insane, incredible.
this is like he has a stammer, right? And like I'm sure most people already know this. The stammer at Kiran was Shah Rukh's idea. That
Yeah,
we
yeah.
should only have him stammer at Kiran, nowhere else. He should not be stammering. But the obsession is to that level that he can't even say the word properly without like saying Kiran,
And it's
right?
like iconic now.
Yeah, it's iconic. And in that time, if you see any movie where a person stammers, it's always fun and games. They're always making fun of the person, right? Kakla. And it's always something to be someone not to be taken lightly and someone to be taken lightly. But Shah Rukh, the moment he stammers, you know shit is serious. Like the moment he says "I love you, Kiran," like Juhi Chawla like loses her shit. She gets so scared, and that's very intimidating. And I'm about to say something very politically incorrect, but okay, fine. So
Go.
the, as a kid, and not as a kid, like till very late into my adult life, even now a little bit, like I used to stammer quite a bit. Like at some point, I was unable to even like put a sentence together or start a sentence together. It was very, very difficult at that point. So at that point, when I see this guy say stammering and people getting really scared of him, I felt like, hey, this is cool, yeah. If someone is scared of a stammering person, I
Wow.
mean,
Diggy
I
said
was
he's
like,
gonna say something politically incorrect and he went on to narrate
Huh?
like the cutest story from his childhood. Just like, oh.
I mean, yeah, but like I
इसमें
found the
politically
stammering guy
incorrect क्या
quite
है?
because I found this talker like sort of a person like okay if he can be intimidating at some point maybe in my life I can be intimidating, right? Because I
Wow.
also stammer.
Too cute. Too cute.
Yeah,
But for me,
yeah,
it is this whole that he is so conscious, like conscious of this whole like name that every time you ask, like even the friend when he asked कि क्या नाम था तेरी उस बंदी का जिसके लिए तू पागल था उनका, and that is when so in the movie he does say Kiran sometimes without stammering. So this is something which is interesting, and I want to go back to the movie again only to find out कि वो कहाँ किरण बोलता है और कहाँ वो मतलब किरण बोलता है because there are multiple points where maybe वो नहीं ऐसे मतलब he doesn't stammer but he stammers on those points where he is so conscious that he has to take her name and especially when he is saying I love you.
I
So
think he
like
would not be stammering when he's angry, like when there's a lot of passion when he shouts her name or something like that. I
no
think I
no
remember those scenes. Cool. I mean, we can say about Shah Rukh, but we've been doing that for quite a while now. But let's
I would
we
like
can
to
we can
change the
choose
segment for
scenes.
today to moments that you were most afraid of, Shahrukh. Because
Yeah, okay, that makes sense. That's a credit to Shah Rukh himself. All right, he did that good a job. Okay, Diksha, why don't you go first? You obviously were most scared.
I think when he shows up on her birthday, for sure, like पीछे से वो lights off करके आता है, उसकी आंख बंद करके ऐसे ही kisses her.
Oh,
Oh fuck, that was frightening. And also I was so angry seeing that कि मतलब how could he do that? Like fuck. And also the holy scene, I think, where वो मतलब ढोल बजाते बजाते आता है and then he just takes the color and rubs it on her face and she screams and I was like fuck. And that actually the chase sequence that followed was so anxiety inducing. Like they're just running and running and running, and he comes so close to getting him. Like every time I'm like, yeah, dekh li, shakal dekh li, and then he just gets hit by the car, and I was like, fuck.
that
That was
that
that's
gets hit
not
by
when he
the
hit by
car.
the car. Huh? Obviously, Preeti was
कुछ तो
about to correct
वहां
it.
पे हुआ था जो भी हुआ था
It
where he
uh,
gets
वो
away.
जुहू बीच में जाते हैं और वो उसको एज राहुल
हाँ,
बोलता है
sorry,
कि
sorry,
अरे
sorry.
हाँ
The chase scene
yeah,
was when he shot at the window.
get
Yeah.
shot at. Yeah,
Okay. My bad. वो जुहू बीच वाला
yeah.
तो he just comes back and he's like अरे कैसे हो यहाँ कैसे हो like he...
yeah.
I had like two stories because I have been reading up about it a lot in the time that we had. So, first thing is that the whole scene that Rahul Ganguly is actually the first scene that they shot for Dar. And before, because it was difficult casting for the character Rahul Mehra, people were not like even Yashji and everybody were not really very confident if he would be able to play the psychotic character that he is. But he plays the dhol with such conviction and all of that. And then that is when they were sure that this movie is going to be a super
Yeah.
hit. And for me, the chase scenes were so beautifully done. Both the chase scenes were beautifully done. And I loved the fact that the second chase scene where they come out of the jewelry shop and the shooting happens, the whole chase scene is actually on a tabla crescendo. Like you are so invested in it. Also because there is no music background going. There is this tabla going like maddening to up a level where he just gets into the like maybe I'm a bad person, but I really wanted Sunny Deol to get me under the scar. Like every time he was coming close to her, as a woman, I was like, "Ki Shah Rukh Khan ko jail mein डालो." But as a viewer in the movie, I was like, "यार ये पकड़ा नहीं जाए, please." Like there was this conflict that was arising for me a lot throughout the
That's
movie.
very like very interesting actually, because that's the exact sentiment that was displayed by the audience during that time. When Sunny Deol is unable to catch Shah Rukh, people cheered and clapped. Yeah, yeah, Sunny, and that is what pissed off Sunny Deol so much that he didn't work with Yash for like the next, I don't know, 2 decades.
He hasn't worked अभी तक ना.
अपनी फिल्म
Shah
में
Rukh
वो
and Sunny.
हीरो बन के जीरो रह गया.
Yeah.
Yeah, Dickie, go ahead. Your favorite scary moments.
भाई लिफ्ट सीन यार. I mean, that scared the shit out of me. उसके पीछे खड़ा है, he lifts her dupatta up and just
God, that
sniffing
was
it.
so.
And it's almost as if, Shahrukh, are you actually enjoying this, bro? Like, what's going on? मतलब, that was so convincing. I was like, that had me very scared. And final scene, when he's completely unhinged, when he's completely lost it, he's down to the depths of madness. And then he's telling sort of he's telling कि अरे उसने अपने आप को अंदर क्यों लॉक कर दिया, शर्मा गई होगी, थोड़ा सा गुस्सा है, कुछ नहीं होता, तैयार हो गया. ये कैसे कर रहा है यार, तुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा क्या हो रहा है. Like you in your world things are all rosy and dandy. So all those both the scenes, like he did so convincingly well कि I felt कि ये आदमी मुझे अपने आसपास भी नहीं चाहिए 200 मीटर के रेडियस में. क्यों crazy.
Before we get into ratings and then the quiz and everything,
अरे मेरा simp moment कहाँ है?
तूने बोला तो सही.
अभी तो बोला
कब
तूने,
बोला?
2 से मोमेंट बोले तूने.
क्या बोला
कृति,
मैंने? कुछ भी नहीं.
अच्छा
हेलो
ठीक है,
सर.
बोल दे. अभी तो 2 कहानी
क्या
सुनाई
बोला
तूने.
मैंने?
You were like, I have 2 simp stories.
No,
क्या
I
बोल
said
रही तू
two
प्रीति?
stories from. एक second. I said two stories from your simp. I didn't talk about my simp
Oh, you
moment.
gave commentary on my simp moments. So
Yeah.
sorry. Please continue. बताओ तुम्हारे simp moments क्या
oh
थे?
God.
Like when I was very, very scared of him, right? One is when he is in his room and talking to Juhi's photo on a projector and putting lipstick on her and everything.
Yeah.
It was really like for me it was like कि हाँ भाई ये बहुत ही like उसको प्यार तो बहुत है लेकिन काफी psychotic है ये आदमी. So I was scared and then when he knows कि उसकी शादी हो गई है and then he goes into this तू किसी और की होना जाने, the time he gets to sing uh and like he carves his like her name on his chest. I found it damn gets to sing uh and like he carves his like her name on his chest. I found it damn scary. I find it damn scary also because उसके बाद बहुत लोगों ने रियलिटी में भी ये करने की कोशिश करी. People started writing letters in blood and everything. And I guess like I connected with that. Although at no point I felt that they were trying to reward him doing that, being that person, and at the same time it's really scary. And another scene that he is not really there is this. I think it's after the birthday scene where he calls her कि मैंने तुम्हें बोला था कि इसको छोड़ दो तुमने नहीं छोड़ा something. And then they find out कि वो घर से ही फोन किया था. And after that the phone starts ringing. And in the silences you just feel that he's there even though he's not in the scene. So for me like those were my favorite. Like I was scared in the phone scenes for sure. So those were my favorite moments of the movie.
I think
And another one, sorry.
एक comment before that.
Yeah.
कि one thing which I will not agree is that anything that Shah Rukh felt was love. I don't think it deserves that name. I think it's an obsession and it should be
Yeah,
treated
yeah,
as
he
Yeah.
was
such.
obsessed with her.
वो
He was
कहीं से
obsessed
भी
with her.
प्यार नहीं था. मतलब that person does not know love. He does not know how to love. He does not know the meaning of love. Um, and I just want to make that like that really, really clear. Like, as in, I don't know, dude. I was very disturbed by this film. It's not something I want to rewatch anytime soon. And disturbed in the sense ki, sure, great movie, iconic movie, but like you talked about the cultural impact it had, right? That's not a good impact. Like that's not something that we as a nation should be proud of. Um, yeah, I think
Yeah, not at all. And I feel like that it's also sad that people took away that it as a glorification.
yeah,
Even
it's I
even
mean it was
though,
definitely a negative role. Like there's no ambiguity about it. It's not
yeah,
like an animal, right? But agree. I mean the fact that people took it away as glorification is quite sad. And I mean it's a testament to Shah Rukh's acting, I guess, कि इतना अच्छा किया कि मतलब डिगी जैसे लोग भी देखो बोलने लगे कि मैं भी
लगेगा
इंटिमिडेटिंग
कि
बन सकता हूँ.
ए व्हाट मैं भी बन सकता हूँ थोड़ा सा.
हाँ, तो before we go into the quiz, I had one thing which I said in the beginning about why do I feel that he is introvert. Up, I believe it from that. I'm not saying I believe it, like in this way that he is delusional to another level, and that in some ways, in reality, in front of like he he has no self-esteem to know that she will even remember me. So in the first
Yeah.
time when Shahrukh is telling कि तुमको तो पता भी नहीं होगा मैं कॉलेज में था तुम्हारे साथ पढ़ा था हम बैच में थे so he says all of this and then there is this whole scene when जब उसका फादर डॉक्टर के किसी भी रैंडम डॉक्टर के पास जाता है ताकि हमें पता चले कि उसकी माँ के मरे हुए 8-18 साल हो चुके हैं समथिंग समथिंग so his father has never like in more ways than not spoken to him. He doesn't like when the doctor asks him that do you think um do you think he blames you for her death? And he says, I don't know, I've never spoken to him about it. And and this whole thing that he has only one friend, like one friend which is multiple times shown in the movie. Uh and when he actually when Juhi meets him for the first time in Switzerland, she instantly remembers him and she remembers him in a way is not like he's not a nobody in her eyes and she remembers him very fondly कि उसके अंदर इतना सेल्फ उसको लगता था कि वो उसे जानती ही नहीं है उसकी लाइफ में वो एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करता है ऑल दैट मे बी इट इज मोर डिल्यूजन आई कैन करेक्ट माई सेल्फ राइट नाउ देन इंट्रोस्पेक्ट इंट्रोवर्टनेस बट उसका जो रूम है जिस तरीके से उसने रखा हुआ है and everything i I don't like a lot of it gives me that whole vibe of yeah him not speaking to anybody and everything and just being in his world and yeah in the delusion of it so that is one of the reason I think that अगर उसको इतना लो सेल्फ एस्टीम नहीं होता और सबको कुछ नहीं होता तो मे बी ही वुड हैव रीच्ड आउट टू हर इन कॉलेज एंड मे बी शी वुड हैव सेड नो एंड उसको पहले ही पता चल जाता कि शी डजंट लव हर और व्हाटएवर definition of
I don't
obsession
think
he
so.
has.
I feel like
I disagree. I think he's
yeah,
just mentally ill, a psychopath.
exactly.
It just all of this would have happened way earlier. Agar he reached out and she said no, like it would have just been a shit show in the beginning. But yeah, introvert
But
Maybe,
that
maybe
but like
yeah,
that's
but like he's a
one
psychopath. There's
glance
really no
of
redeeming
shyness on
factor.
his face is not enough for me to, forget about everything
Discount
else that he
everything else.
pulled in the movie. Like all the heinous
no.
acts of crime that he's committed against her. Like, and I don't think anything would have triggered him to get worse after college, right? Like he was always that way. Again, just my opinion.
Yeah, not justifying psychopath behavior at all. Extroverts can be psychopaths, introverts can be psychopaths. If somebody is delusional in their own world, क्या वो जो भी INFP टेस्ट जो होता है, क्या होता है वो जो भी that doesn't really take that away. And at the same, like that is how I could see that like he never really thought कि वो उसको जानती भी होगी. So that's how I looked at it.
Do we want to jump to now rating reviews?
Yes.
Yeah, I'll go 5. I'll watch it again. I mean, it's very easy. It's a damn good movie. I will watch it again at some point for sure.
Yeah,
It's
for
very
me, I think
uncomfortable
like
to watch, but yeah.
3.5, and I'll probably not watch
You
it
can't
again.
give Dar 3.5, yaar. 4 at least. Come on.
No, I mean, it
No,
had too many
3.5.
things in it that made me really uncomfortable. Shah Rukh
Yeah.
performance, 10 on 10, 100 on 100.
But as a movie, that's
As a
supposed to make you
movie,
uncomfortable.
yeah,
That's supposed to make you uncomfortable. It does the job really well.
ratings are not objective. Ratings are subject to my feelings and my emotions that I experienced through the film. And it's not that, I mean,
Yeah,
Fan
I
made
get
me
it.
uncomfortable, but Fan was a brilliant movie. Like, I genuinely, when I gave it a 4, 4.5, whatever rating I gave it, I mean it and I stand by it. Like, that is a movie I will watch again. Um, this is not like it was just too unsettling for me. So yeah,
Yeah.
and I don't think I'd have watched it if it was anyone other than Shah Rukh. And
Uh, I mean, I should watch it even if it wasn't Shah Rukh, was such a good movie in my eyes, but it's very difficult to imagine anybody else pulling off that role. Although I think a few other people could have done it, so I think I'll watch it even if it isn't Shah Rukh.
Okay. I will give it a 4.5. Minus 0.5 for
Sunny Deol.
all the song given to Sunny Deol. Yes. Uh, he has no expressions. I don't know. I just didn't like the way he was. Like his character was written well. I think it was a lack of performance. Anybody else in that role would have probably pulled it up way not like notches higher for sure.
Yeah.
And will I watch it? If it was done by anybody else from Shah Rukh, I don't think I would be as captivated by an anti-hero. Or no, he's not an anti-hero, he's a villain. I would not like. I would turn off my movie. मेरे को नहीं देखना है.
Yeah.
Maybe it's like something about like the way he represents it. Yeah, but I wouldn't have done it. Like I would not do it if anybody else did it. So yeah, I'm sure about it. Are you ready for the
Um,
quiz? Are you ready for the quiz? Are you
yeah.
ready for the quiz?
Next up, Preeti has prepared a quiz, and she has very
Very,
big
very
shoes to fill.
small quiz, okay?
अच्छा ठीक
Yeah,
है.
very. मैं वैसे वो ऐसे मैंने सोचा था ठीक है मैंने कैटेगरीज भी बनाई हुई हैं लेकिन फिर वैसे मेरे को एक तो बहुत एफर्ट लग रहा था ऐसे इतनी मैं क्विज मास्टर हुई नहीं so I will just ask questions which are observational in nature and etc. about the movie.
That's fine.
Okay,
That's
are
fine.
you
Go
guys
ahead.
ready?
yep.
Yes. Tell us the
Yeah,
rules
so
first.
again, same rules. I will read out the question and you can buzz with your names and let me finish the question. Okay? And I will tell
Yeah.
if there are part points to all the questions. Might have in most of the questions today, though.
Okay.
So
Good.
just as a okay. So first question. Uh, there are multiple references, not references. There's songs from other YRF universe that are played in the movie either by music or like it, or the song is played in the background something. What are those songs and which movie are they from? So
Diksha,
one
wait,
point for
clarification question.
yeah,
Do you give part points if I know only one?
yeah, you'll get part points.
Cool.
So go ahead, Diksha. You have to give the song and the movie both.
Yeah, the Rang Barse from Silsila.
Yeah.
That's the one I remember. There was one more. I remember it being there, but I don't remember um like which song it
Okay,
was
when
or
do they
where.
play Rang Barse? Do you remember?
Uh
हाँ.
होली के टाइम पे या पता नहीं याद नहीं है आई गेस
Yeah.
होली के
Towards
टाइम
the
पे
end
क्या
part
होगा
of the Holi. Yeah.
Okay, so I will
मैंने
Yeah.
नोटिस
now
किया था यार
tell.
गिव मी अ मिनट लेट मी ट्राई टू रिमेम्बर
Yes, sure.
चांदनी
Yeah.
व्हिच सॉन्ग वाज इन मेरे हाथों में नौ नौ चूड़ियां or was it?
Yes.
Yeah.
मेरे
Okay.
मेरे हाथों में 18 चूड़ियां एक्चुअली।
नहीं नहीं, वो नौना चूड़ियां प्ले होता है वैसे। Where did they play?
प्ले
Do you
होता है।
remember it? Where
Right.
did
Ah,
they play it?
अभी याद नहीं आ रहा है where it. Oh, in the Sangeet. No. It was not in the
No,
Sangeet.
not
अभी
in the
याद, I
Sangeet.
can't remember where it was played, but I remember it was played.
Okay, so I will give you one more hint, that the other song is also from Chandni.
Was it
Chandni
Chandni
has
only?
two
Like
songs.
Chandni title track?
Yeah. Where do they play it?
Arya, I can't remember where it was played, but
ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. You gave. So because I gave you a hint, so I will give you 2.5.
I'll take it.
ठीक है?
Where did they play?
ठीक है.
मेरे हाथों में नौनो चूड़ियां. Just
So,
remind me.
Chandni title track is played at the airport where they're going for their honeymoon and they're talking to each other. Rang Barse is played in the Holi song, that the version wo अंग से अंग लगाना में end में, and during the chase when they are going. तो जो भीड़ होती है वो उस गाने पे नाच रही होती है और playing the Holi. And Nono Chudia is played during when they are in the shop buying jewelry and ring for each other.
हाँ, okay.
बढ़िया।
Okay,
Zero.
so Diggy, next question. I will give you to take a dig at it first because you already kind of guessed my question. So there are references to English music in the
Yeah.
movie, either by music or songs. Can you give me those?
Yeah. Top Gun.
Yeah.
Because I noticed all these songs, I made notes. I googled it.
Okay.
You can leave your heart on is a striptease song.
Yeah.
Then Oops Up करके एक और होता है. And
Oops Up is the striptease song, no?
Diggy, how did you make note of all of these and not the Yashraj ones? Like, I mean, I
अरे
recognized the
because
Yashraj ones. That's why I was like, oh, so cool. They're using YRF music in YRF movie. Like,
see, I'll tell you why. Because Top Gun, I can recognize anywhere. I've heard that song so many times. And the moment I heard it, I was like, fucking ये तो Top Gun है. Then it was a striptease song. They were playing a movie behind, and he was first looking at the scene so intently. I was like,
Yeah.
this has to be some sort of a reference to some sort of a movie. I don't know. So then I started looking at it, and that was it. And right
Same
here
brain,
waiting,
Diggy. Same brain.
and then I think right here waiting for you. I think ऐसे गाना था.
Yeah, Right Here Waiting You is actually played when they are dancing like together. Shah Rukh and Juhi are dancing together, and that is the English song they played, which was kind of a nice touch to it, though.
Yeah.
Okay, coming back to
Cool.
buzzers.
Do I get 3 points?
Yes, you get 3 points. So Diggy is now at 3 and Diksha is at 2.5. Okay,
I'll
so
take it.
damn, I thought I took such a good lead in the beginning only. सब खत्म हो गया.
Okay, so so next question is, the movie starts with a God's voice, like telling you something. कि ये कहानी है किसकी? So there are 3 things that they say. What are those? Like, what is the dialogue?
Diksha,
Can you tell me the dialogue with
do I
Diksha
get
said.
do I get part points?
Yeah, you like there are 3 basics like they talk about. So what are
Okay.
those? You don't even have to give me the dialogue.
Pyar and Dar were 2 of them. I don't remember the third one.
Can I say? I might know.
Okay, go ahead, Diggy.
Is it Junoon?
Yes, it's Junoon.
Yeah. I remember that.
So-
एक जुनून बन जाता है.
हाँ, तो प्यार जब जुनून बन जाए, फिर उसके बाद जब वो और हद से गुजर जाए तो वो एक डर बन जाता है. So the God is telling you that this is
प्यार and
it's
जुनून I
not
remember.
pure. It's
Yeah.
not pure. It's junoon and then it's done. They're telling it in the beginning. Okay, so for this, Diggy gets 1 point and Diksha gets 2. So
Okay.
we are at what?
4.5 and 4.
Okay,
Yeah.
please keep the maths. तो जब सनी देओल उसके कबर्ड से गिरता है तो वो एक डायलॉग बोलता है कि लड़कियों की अलमारियों से 3 चीजें मिलती हैं, वो 3 चीजें क्या हैं?
Part points again.
Go.
Hello.
डिगी, go ahead, डिगी। डिगी बोलना
साड़ियाँ
होता
is
है,
one.
डिगी।
डिगी, sorry. साड़ियाँ is one.
ठीक है, ठीक है,
Right. पुराने आशिकों के खत.
ठीक है।
नहीं. That's right,
हाँ,
right? हाँ, okay.
पुराने खत,
पुराने खत, चलो ठीक है. पुराने आशिक नहीं
ठीक है।
मिलते, साड़ियाँ मिलती हैं, खत मिलते हैं.
हाँ, you're there,
और
you're there. Okay, you're there. 3 things.
वो अच्छा.
Those are the 3 things.
अब
पुराने
पुराने
आशिक
आशिकों
is
के
the third one.
पुराने
Yeah,
आशिक
yeah.
ही होता है क्या?
Yeah,
Okay,
you said
cool.
it like when you were remembering, you said, so I'll
Oh,
give you
right,
the
right.
3 points.
अच्छा हाँ
So
ठीक है.
it's
That's what he says कि मिलते
पुराने
हैं. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, cool.
पुराने खत, पुराने आशिक और नई साड़ियाँ. So
Okay, cool.
so Diggy gets 3 points.
So I'm 7.5. I'm at 7. Diksha is 4.5.
Yes. So Anupam Kher plays her Juhi Chawla's sibling in the movie. It's a 2-part question, so there are 2 points to the question. What is his name in the movie, and where did he play cricket?
डिगी.
Go ahead, Diggy.
पंजाब यूनिवर्सिटी चंडीगढ़.
Yeah, he
course.
played. What's his name?
Is it Suresh?
Diksha.
No.
No.
Yeah, go ahead, Diksha.
It's Vijay Avasthi.
Yes.
It's Vijay. No idea.
Yeah, it's Vijay.
मैं नाम देख के आई थी
Avasthi.
सारे.
अच्छा,
I'm
इस बार
trying
नाम
to
देख के
remember
आई
कि कॉलेज कौन सा है उसका.
है. Oh, Vijay Avasthi, is it? No idea.
ठीक है, another character related names. I'm guessing Diksha has. Okay, so Anu Kapoor plays his friend.
Diksha.
First part of the question, let me finish the question. So it's a 3-part question. First is what is his name? He is seen twice in the movie. One we all know, where he calls like those like. And
Preeti, sorry, I'm pausing you. I'm sorry,
Okay.
I'm pausing you. Are you giving
Yeah.
this to Disha by default because she already buzzed before you ended the question,
Yeah.
or are you going to wait for us to buzz?
No, I will gift it to Diksha.
ये तो गलत बात है ना वैसे, क्योंकि तूने एक पार्ट क्वेश्चन पे किया, 2 पार्ट तुम अभी बोले भी नहीं है, तुम तो 2 पार्ट उसको बताने भी नहीं चाहिए क्योंकि बस कर चुकी. मैं तो वेट कर रहा था तुम्हारे क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट करने की. ये क्या
तुम
बात
चुप
है?
रहो. QM प्रीति सेट द रूल्स. ओके.
क्योंकि मुझे तो जवाब पता
But
है.
now, so I'll tell you what, if she doesn't get all the other parts, then I will not give her marks. Is that okay?
हाँ, that's
ये
how
क्या
you do it.
ऑन द फ्लाई रूल्स मत बनाओ.
Exactly. That's
तुमने
how you do
शुरू
it.
में
तुम ना
बोला था,
शुरू में
तुमने
बस कर
शुरू
दो
में
कि
बोला
एक
था
ना
कि
एक
मैं
पार्ट तो आ
बस कर
जाएगा.
सकती हूँ और तुम बाद में क्वेश्चन
शुरू में
पूरा
ये-
करोगे. ठीक है.
नहीं, उसने
मैंने
बोला था
बोला
वेट
था
फॉर मी
वैसे.
टू फिनिश द क्वेश्चन.
No, she said you can
No,
buzz
so
and
you
then
can buzz,
wait
but
for
yeah,
me to finish the question.
फिर तो बस करने का
It is
पॉइंट कैसा? मैं हमेशा बस कर दूं, नेगेटिव पॉइंट तो है ही नहीं है. I'll always buzz.
तुमने
start talking
लूप
से
होल
कि-
नहीं पकड़ा.
Continue.
मैंने लूप होल पकड़ लिया, इसमें मेरी गलती नहीं है. ठीक है. अच्छा, अभी क्वेश्चन फिनिश करने
let
दो
me finish my question, you guys.
चलो ठीक है. This is too competitive.
Okay, so Anu Kapoor plays his friend. What is his name in the movie? Where do you see him? What are the scenes that he has in the movie? I'm particularly looking for one scene that a lot of people don't catch throughout the movie. Another thing is that this name, that the character's name is also some friend that was played in another movie. So, like, yeah, like, what's the other movie?
क्या यार,
yeah.
Go ahead,
इतना
His
आसान
name is
क्वेश्चन है.
Vicky Oberoi.
टेक्निकलिटी पे
The
लेके जा
other
रही है.
movie that we see a friend in is Bazigar, where he plays Vicky Malhotra. And the scenes where he is seen, एक तो उसका जो सुसाइड सीन होता है, और दूसरा जो क्या कहते हैं वो, गोवा में एक पब में उससे मिलता है जहाँ पे वो कोकेन कर रहा होता है.
No.
वो भी है, लेकिन
Yeah.
उससे बाद.
That's not what Preeti is looking for.
हाँ, I'm not looking for that though. That's
But you
fine.
said 2 scenes, I gave 2 scenes. I answered the
She
question.
said one particular जो सबसे पहले जहाँ मिलता है वो, सबसे पहले
हाँ.
उसकी एंट्री होती है.
हाँ,
I know the
सबसे
scene.
exactly.
पहले कहाँ मिलता है वो? ओके.
तुझे नहीं आता है.
हाँ, दीक्षा, I'm almost
अब मेरे को
pretty sure
सोचना
that-
पड़ेगा.
ये नहीं आता तुझे. टिक टिक 1, टिक टिक 2.
Two.
चुप रहो
I
डिगी.
feel like I should
तुम
share
सोचते
this.
हुए
Tick,
पता
tick,
नहीं
3.
50 मिनट लगा
ठीक
देते हो
ठीक
एक क्वेश्चन के लिए, मेरे को 5
क्यों?
5 मिनट नहीं सोचने दे
ऐसा
रहे हो.
ऐसा कोई बात नहीं. There's no evidence of me doing that anywhere.
That's because
And we
I'm the
have
one editing
evidence.
out your silences and your murmuring ki
Your
matlab every 2 seconds नहीं कहता
Answer. Why are you wasting time? Answer. I'm giving
सोच
you
यार.
time.
तुम्हें
ओके नहीं
पता भी
मालूम
नहीं
यार.
है.
ठीक है डिगी बता दे.
It's when
बताओ.
they try and bait शाहरुख के सुनील ऊपर से देख रहा होता है दूरबीन से, and Shahrukh is walking to it, realizes he's upstairs and he goes back to he's sitting right
वो उसके
behind,
पीछे पूल साइड बैठा
and
होता है.
वो लास्ट में बोलते भी हैं कि ये तो
या
वही
या
था
या
ना जो
या
तुम्हारे पीछे बैठा हुआ था.
So yes. So Diksha gets 2 points and Diggy gets 1.
Yeah, 9 and
this.
8.5. That's the
Oh my
score.
God.
I'm at
So
9.
close,
7.5 I
guys.
think by the way.
No, we were 4.5, then you got 2, I got 1, so 6.5. Then I again got 2, and then you got 2.
Next question. Next question.
अभी बचा है
Is-
यार, तो मैं जीत गया था. अबे यार, अच्छा.
अभी 2 सवाल हैं जिसके मतलब और सबके 5 points है. So yes.
Diggy,
Next question only has
Diggy, I buzzed. Fuck it. I will use this loophole. बोलो question अब.
ये गलत बात है.
उसने exactly same चीज करी थी.
नहीं,
उसने
मैंने
बोला,
wait
you
किया
tell
था
me
question
what to do
start
with the
होने के
loophole.
लिए, ठीक है.
हाँ, नहीं. मैंने जब
वाह.
विक्की बोला था उसके sorry अनु कपूर बोला था उसके बाद उसने क्या and she
तो फिर
knew
मतलब
most
तो
of the
तीन
questions, so
क्वेश्चन
she
थे ना.
wasn't cheating like you are doing. I
My God,
get to choose.
unfairness
You
of
don't
this
get to.
sisterhood is crazy. चलो ठीक है, go ahead. I will buzz when I feel the
It's
question
okay.
is
We
enough.
watched a psychotic killer movie. Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. So next question only has one mark. Actually, 2
Yeah.
marks. So, in which other movie Shah Rukh wears the pink shirt that he's
Diksha.
wearing in Tu Mere Samne, and what's the song?
बाजीगर.
Okay, go ahead, Diksha.
बाजीगर.
Okay, what's the song?
वही मेन बाजीगर का टाइटल ट्रैक.
That's right. Yeah. That's the right answer.
डिगी
Did you
स्कोर
know it?
बताना. डिगी स्कोर बताना.
10 and 8.5. नहीं, sorry. हाँ,
I have
वही है
more
ना. नहीं,
questions, okay?
9.5 and 8. Yeah.
I have more questions.
I mean, had I
Which
just
is-
buzzed, I would have thought about it, like, but it's fine.
सर पकड़ लिया डिगी ने. Okay, I think you will know the next question. So it's a 2-part question in a way that I want to ask for the actor and the actress both, but I'll go with the actor first. This role was rejected by a couple
Diggy.
of actors.
Diggy.
Okay.
Diggy.
Give me, yeah. Go.
Amir Khan rejected it.
Yeah. Why did he reject it, you know?
Yeah, because I know the whole story.
Tell me, yeah.
So-
Tell us, no, that is the point of these questions.
Yeah. So he basically he agreed to the role. He was like, fine, I'll do this. And then what he wanted though was, first of all, he wanted Divya Bharati to be changed to Juhi Chawla. So one, they made that change, and secondly, that was the second question, no. So it was basically he said कि in the end scene, so there were two things he wanted. One, कि end में my character should not get beaten up that much. That goes to show कि I'll be weak for my character. I'm a star. And he wanted Yash Chopra to read the script to both Sunny Deol and Amir Khan together in a room, so there's no ego clashes. And Yash Chopra said, "भाड़ में जाओ, इतना भी नहीं कर रहा हूँ मैं तुम्हारे लिए." So that's when it was
Yes, so
offered
one
to
is Amir Khan, then
Ajay Devgan,
then
Sunny Deol's role.
I'm talking
This
about
guy.
Shah Rukh Khan.
Shah Rukh Khan's role. Okay.
Yeah.
Do you wanted one answer or कितने answers? कितने parts हैं question के?
So 3 people were like 3 people rejected it actively. So give me the
Okay.
3 names.
So
So you gave Amir Khan, you gave Ajay
Sanjay
Devgan.
Dutt,
Yeah,
Sanjay
right. That's true.
Yeah.
3 हो गए. 3 I wanted 3. 3 are done.
Yeah.
So you get 3 points for it. Same was
wait.
for the.
Wait. I'm
Yeah.
at 11 points. Diksha has 9.5 points. Just a reminder.
Okay, so the next part of the question is who were the actresses who rejected it?
Diggy.
Diksha, wait.
मैंने नहीं पढ़ा यार,
So you
मतलब ये
don't
सब.
know this,
I don't
yeah?
know all this.
So
That's
here's another fun story. Divya Bharti accepted, but she got rejected by Yash Chopra because Amir Khan wanted her out. Shri Devi rejected the role because she wanted.
Devi was the thought process actually.
Yeah.
Yash Raj made the movie thinking of her, and you
Yeah,
can tell it
but-
because all the songs and choreography. Yeah.
But the interesting bit is, and that goes to show the star power that Sri Devi held at that point. She wanted to play the psychotic lover, not be the victim. And Yash Chopra said no. It has to be Shah Rukh Khan. It has to be like the guy playing the psychotic lover. And she's like, sorry, no. मैं ये
Like,
चिंदी
this
role
is
नहीं
the
करेगा.
story I have in mind. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, who was the other actor? You said
Aishwarya Rai.
Sridevi, you
Aishwarya
said
Rai.
Divya Bharti.
Aishwarya Rai. She was screen tested but rejected.
I don't. Yeah.
Aishwarya Rai was screen tested but
Actually, I
rejected.
was also like, I had. ठीक है. Okay, you get
Aishwarya Rai
the
तब तक
you get the
active हो
point,
गई
but I
थी.
think
I thought she came
हाँ.
in much later.
93, 94 में तो she won the Miss India अपना.
Yeah, which is why I felt it might be too early for her to be.
She must have just tried for it. Screen test तो हुई थी वो, I think. Yeah. But
the other
yeah.
person who rejected it, like she was rejected. So Aishwarya was rejected.
अच्छा,
She
okay. I don't know. Was it
wasn't.
Madhuri?
She didn't reject the movie.
Okay. Was it Madhuri?
Yeah, it was Madhuri.
Yeah.
Yeah, it
Has
was
to be.
Madhuri. Yeah. So Sridevi, Madhuri, Divya Bharti. So yeah.
So even Sridevi, even the Divya Bharti didn't reject. She was also rejected by
Yeah.
on
Right.
Amir Khan.
So those were my questions. I hope you liked them.
Do you want me to tell the points? Do you want me to tell the points?
No. ये लास्ट का 6 पॉइंट का क्वेश्चन है, ये प्रीति ने जो गूगली मारा है ना, मतलब
14 and 9.5.
इतना ऑब्जर्वेशनल क्वेश्चन दूंगी बोल के विकिपीडिया से 6 मार्क का क्वेश्चन दे दिया. दिस इज आउट ऑफ सिलेबस. वो भी टीचर्स डे पे.
यार ये सब तो
अरे these are interesting trivia around the movie. से पता होना चाहिए तुमको.
मैं सिर्फ कैरेक्टर कास्ट का नाम पढ़ के आई थी, मैं ये सब थोड़ी पढ़ के आई थी. कौन रिजेक्ट हुआ था, कौन रिजेक्ट किया था.
अच्छा ठीक है, उसकी भाभी का नाम क्या था फिर मुझे बता दो, क्योंकि मैं तो भूल गई.
पूनम अवस्थी.
ये लो.
ये वो रट के आई है. हाँ ठीक है. Anyway, Diggy wins this with flying colors after trying to cheat but not really cheating because he knew much of the trivia. So yeah, Diggy, go ahead, take your prize.
Woohoo! Yay! My streak of winning quizzes is still on.
अच्छा ठीक है. Okay, so now we are done with the quiz. So what are we watching next, guys?
We are watching
Next is a guest episode.
English
and-
Babu Desi meme.
English Babu Desi.
We are watching Triple Roll, Shahrukh. That's the one that he has triple rolls
Yes,
in,
yes.
right?
From people who've watched the podcast will remember the quiz episode. Listeners will remember the quiz episode. Arpit was the quiz master. So we have his wife now coming in and gracing the podcast because she found the movie quite interesting. Let's just put it at that, and we let her expand on it.
I haven't seen it. Have you guys seen
Wow.
it?
Way back, I remember scenes of it, but I don't remember the story.
थोड़ा बहुत पता है वो Bablu and I just remember some stuff and the songs.
I don't know.
But yeah, I don't remember the movie at all.
I remember Master Mayur. That's a
Yeah.
very core memory in my
Okay.
head. Master Mayur. Cool. Chalo, okay, this has been an extremely long podcast. These are going to have to spend a lot of time editing this shit out.
I'm not editing it.
Chalo, cool. Bye, guys. Bye.
Bye.
Bye guys.
Bye.
This is